This video tutorial I will explain check constraint in SQL. Here you can see employee table. It has age column and I want to make sure the age column value should be greater than or equal to 18. Then I can use check constraint like this. Check constraint used to limit the value range that can be placed in the column. If we define check constraint on a single column, it allows only certain values for this column. And if we define check constraint on a table, it can limit the values in certain columns based on values in other columns in the row. We will see the example now. Now I am going to create employee table, and in age column I am going to put check constraint. The age column value should be greater than or equal to 18. Executing this. And here you can see the check constraint is created. We will insert one row with age less than 18. We will see what happens. Now I am going to insert one record in employee table with age as 10. We will see what happens. I got an error saying the check constraint is violated. The age column value should be greater than or equal to 18. So currently it is 10. So it is not allowing to insert a record in the employee table. I am changing to 20. We will see what happens. Now age is 20 and one record is inserted successfully. So the age column value should be greater than or equal to 18. Next we will see how to drop the check constraint which is applied on age. Using this query we can remove alter table employee drop check and the constraint name, which is this one. Execute, refresh, and here you can see the check constraint is removed. Next we will see how to add check constraint in the age column using alter table statement. Alter table employee add check and age column should be greater than or equal to 18. Execute this query. Here you can see the check constraint is added. Next we will see how to add check constraint for two columns. So first drop this existing table. Now I am going to create employee table. It has employee ID, employee name, age, salary and created date. And I am going to apply check constraint for age column and salary column. Age column value should be greater than or equal to 18 and salary column value should be greater than 10,000. If both conditions are satisfied only, it will allow to insert a record in the employee table. Else it will throw an error. I am creating this table. And here you can see check constraint is created on age column and salary column. Next I am going to insert one record in employee table with age is 20 and salary is 3000. We will see what will happen. We got error saying the check constraint is violated because age is 20 but salary is 3000. The condition is age should be greater than or equal to 18 and salary should be greater than 10,000. But in this case salary is 3000. So it is not allowing to insert and record. I am changing to 30,000. Then trying to insert. and now it is inserted successfully. And I am trying to insert one more record. I am changing age as 10, executing this query, and we got the check constraint violated because age should be greater than or equal to 18. But here I have put age as 10. So it is not allowing to insert and record. Suppose if I want to drop this check constraint which is applied on age and salary, then I can use this query. Alter table employee drop check and the check constraint name, which is this one. And here you can see the check constraint is removed. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.